Kon'nichiwa, Annyeonghaseyo, Wassup Guys, Johnz here, and we are back again to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to vote on MAMA 2021 or Mnet Asian Music Awards 2021. So let's get started. So first, what you're gonna need to do is go to Google or type in the search bar MAMA 2021 vote, or just simply click the link in the description below. And the link must be like this. Just simply click on it and it will take you to MAMA website. Wait for it to load. These steps might appear on your screen, so just simply skip on it and then close. And here just click on the person icon or the account icon. Here you can see a bunch of social platforms to use for voting, but for now we are going to use Google. If you have many Google accounts, then you can use them to vote. Now select the Google account you want to use for voting. If you have that many Google accounts, then you can use them to vote again without waiting for the next day. I've already selected my first account, so for now I'm going to use my main account that I'm using for my YouTube channel. Wait for it to load. And here it will ask you to sign up. Just simply put your first name and last name if you are using your main email. Sometimes it will not accept a name with a second name, so instead I've been putting my usual name that I use, for example Harry. Now select your nationality or where you're from. I'm gonna select Philippines because I'm from there. For your date of birth, I'm gonna select 2004 or maybe 2000 because I'm not sure if they will accept if your account is underage. And now for the nickname, you can put any nickname that you want or just simply randomize it. If you already type your nickname, then click on check. If it says this, then you can change the nickname again. Since Sana143 is not accepted, I'm gonna put Sanake143. It says it is available, so we are good to go. And don't forget to check also your email. Now select your gender and accept their terms and conditions, and scroll down and then click sign up. Next is open another tab or simply open your Gmail app if you're using your phone. This is my other account, so I'm going to switch to my main account. And here find the email that says webmaster or email verification and click on it. And click on verify. You can now close the first Mnet tab and then click on login. And select for Google again. And now pick the email that you used for signing up. Now click on the 3 lines option on the top right side and select MAMA. And now go to vote and select pre-vote. So yeah, as I said earlier, these steps will appear again. So just skip it and close it. And now scroll down and select the 5 artists that you want to vote. You can select up to 5 artists. And here I'm going to select twice because they are my ultimate stan. And you can select the other 4 artists that you want to vote. For example, ITZY, aespa, IU, and Somi. Just like that, and click on vote. And you need to enter the Captcha for AB62. Click on submit. Click on yes. And wait for the teaser to finish playing or loading.
2021 Mama, make some noise.
And scroll down and click on accept. And now we're done. We've successfully voted our favorite artists. If you want to vote again, then just simply go to the video where our tutorial starts. If you've already used all of your Google accounts, then you can use either your Facebook account or your Twitter account. And that's it guys for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand anything on the video, and even though it's long. And yes, see you to our next video, and don't forget to vote for your favorite artists. Bye.